Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're looking at this FOXWELL NT726 OBD2 scanner, diagnostic tool, all system, bidirectional scan to code read for cars and trucks with 12 resets. You guys got this? Leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if this is a good OBD2 scanner or not. So it does ABS systems, bleeding, oil, EPB, SAS, PDF, I'm not sure what that is, TPMS, injector coding, throttle, body, etc., throttle position sensor, etc., active test all systems, 12 plus resets, full OBD2 function. You guys got this. Like, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent scanner or not. It sells for like $303 at Amazon from FOXWELL. Done a bunch of review videos about FOXWELL products. They're decent. Wouldn't say they're like the best, but they're decent. Supports 12 maintenance functions, including ABS bleeding, oil reset, and EPB reset. All systems enables in-depth diagnostics for over 22 vehicle systems. Covers 99% of 3,000 plus actuation tests. Not exactly sure what that means, but that seems pretty impressive considering you guys could probably buy scanners for like thousands of dollars, couple $1,000. But full OBD2 functions, read clear 4 codes with built-in DTC lookup for instant issue ID as soon as fault occurs. Real-time 4-in-1 data flow provides deeper insight into your vehicle. I gotta tell you something. I notice a lot of people using these OBD2 scanners, and it just takes away the common sense as far as figuring out what problems is. Quick scan, one-click PDF report generation, saves time and effort. That's just a lot of stuff. A universal vehicle scanner compatible with all major models, such as BMW, Mercedes, Benz, Ford, and more. I'm almost positive most people who are buying this, who aren't mechanics, are probably buying this for their BMW, Mercedes-Benz issue. Apparently, it's equivalent to owning the FOXWELL Code Reader series, NT201, NT301, NT6X4 series, and a whole bunch of other stuff. ABS bleeding or reset, EPB reset, SAS calibration, which is a lot of this stuff. Throttle matching, window, door control, transmission adaptation, suspension reset, and battery registration. Especially if you guys have BMW, that's a big thing with BMW owners, battery registration. Apparently, you can save 500 years by clearing 4 codes, resetting maintenance lights, and diagnosing ABS SRS issues. Which, to be honest with you, you could get less expensive scanners for that. Works with 1996 plus OBD2 enabled vehicles. Hey, if you guys got this, like, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys think about this. I'll be honest with you. A lot of guys who are getting this, I'm pretty sure, like I said before, they're like a BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi owners who just really don't know what's happening with their transmission, weird idling issues and stuff. I guarantee you there'll be people in the comment section or whatever saying they bought this and they were never able to fix whatever issue it was with their vehicle. By the way, if you guys got BMW, Mercedes, Audis, or whatever, and you guys got those kind of problems, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to have bigger problems after that. In any case, 99% auto test, 12 resets. I mean, looking at this for $300, it seems like a steal considering a lot of these other OBD2 scanners probably would set you back close to like a couple $1,000. But I'm not sure. Leave a comment in the comment section if you guys have this. Let us know whether this is a decent scanner. Let us know whether you guys get as much out of this as, well, it's got touchscreen. It takes car diagnostics to the next level. Yeah, I mean, it seems like it's a decent scanner. Let's see what other people are saying about this. Like I said, if you guys got this, leave a comment. Let us know. FOXWELL is okay. I mean, FOXWELL is okay. All right. I mean, it's not like I've had a couple of FOXWELL stuff. It's not the best. but that was a while ago. I'm not quite sure whether they're pretty decent these days as far as their newer stuff, but does what I needed to do. And I'll be honest with you, does what I need to do. 95% of the time, you get like a $20 OBD2 scanner. For most people, it'll tell you exactly what you need to do. It has more functionality than I need, which I'm pretty sure of. Nobody actually reads live scan data. All right, anybody who reads live scan data, you gotta be really big into your mechanic work, and if that's the case, I'm pretty sure that if that's the case, that you probably won't need this scanner to figure out what your problem is, unless you got like a Mercedes, a BMW, an Audi. Like, if you can read live data. And I gotta tell you, that whole live data thing, a lot of people are just throwing away their common sense just to see, and most people who think they can read live data just can't. Anyway, I was previous using Torque app with my OBD2 Bluetooth adapter, but it didn't offer two-way communication with the various modules in order to perform. Not just for typical DIY. I'm sure it's not for typical DIY because it gives you a whole lot of stuff. Now, I don't know if it gives you that one thing that a lot of people are looking for these days when they swap out their transmission fluid. You know, a lot of people actually need that temperature on their transmission fluid, and I don't know, for whatever reason, most of these OBD2s don't actually give that readout, and that's like the one thing that most people, if they were to use an OBD2, would need is that function. Now, I don't know if this actually gives you that function, but if it does, like, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this actually gives you that function. All right, it was exactly what it was advertised. I was frustrating trying to register with those tiny keys. All right. I guess you could do keys too with this. Let me see. 3 so it did not meet my expectations for my needs. Too limited in functionality. So I mean, a lot of stuff. I don't know why that would be the case, because there's a whole lot of stuff I went through just now. Needs different connections for some cars. Why should I have to buy an extra connector to use it on my car? To be honest with you, the only reason why you might need that is maybe because you got a car that's older than 96. Product doesn't perform as described. This FOXWELL OBD2 still will not accept the VIN number for multiple vehicles to troubleshoot. I don't get why you would need multiple VIN number. Will not accept the VIN number for multiple vehicles. Oh, okay. Which is kind of odd. I mean, that would be something that would be really, really simple to do. In any case, if you guys got this, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me see what other people are saying. It worked once or twice and stopped clearing codes, which is a weird thing to say. I know there's like a lot of competition in Amazon. It worked once or twice, then stopped clearing codes. Might work great for you. Guess what? This vehicle does not do basic diagnostics on. I own an Audi and Volkswagen, obviously. I knew there was if it wasn't a Mercedes, a BMW, whatever, I'm sure that would also be the case. Volkswagens and Mercedes and stuff like that. I mean, a lot of these people, like these cars, a lot of times you're gonna need like a BMW, a Mercedes, or an Audi specific OBD2 scanner. In any case, hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. By the way, if you guys think this is worth $300, leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this is a decent buy or not for the price for you. I'm not quite sure whether it is or not, but it seemed like there's a lot of stuff, and it's Amazon. So I mean, if it doesn't work out, you guys could always return and stuff like that. But leave a comment, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that great stuff, guys. Take care.